Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to use the 2 point line tool. So in previous videos we have discussed about the freehand and bezier. I will give you a quick note. Freehand tool is also similar to 2 point tool, 2 point line tool, but the difference is uh, you can, while clicking and dragging, you can draw the image as the name suggests freehand. Freehand sketches can be made, and in Bezier tool, Bezier and pen tool are continuous tool. Bezier, you can make curves also, and pen tool are used for drawing continuous straight lines. It can also be used for making curves. Bezier tool and pen tool are similar tools with slight differences. I have stated the difference in previous video, you can watch. And now in this video we will see what is the basic uses of this 2 point line tool. These are mainly used for drawing flow charts. So in Bezier and pen tool, if you click on a point and another point, it will be a line, but here you need to drag. You need to press the left button, mouse button, and you need to drag. For straight line you need to press the shift button, so you get a straight line. So while pressing the shift button, and if you tilt it to an angle, you get a continuous angle difference, straight continuous angles. So this is very useful when your measuring parameter is angle. You're drawing with angles, this tool might be a great use. So another thing, you can drag a line over this line. I'll show you. If you click on a point on this line, one second, I'm dragging shift. So here there are three options. So these tools are used for drawing straight lines, okay, and this tool, the second, perpendicular to 2 points. So here you can drag a line, a new line along with the surface of another line or a circle. So if I am drawing a straight line, you can see we can draw perpendicular to this at any position on this line. On an existing line you can draw perpendicular straight lines, and it's similar with the circle also, any surface. So if I am drawing a circle, you can draw a line across the circumference of the circle. So I'm drawing a 2 point line from the circle. So here see, from any point on the circumference of the circle you can start a line perpendicular to that. So as I suggest, these are very useful for drawing in the flowchart diagrams. So here I can put arrows also to this, you can modify. So here I am putting the arrow. So here are the, my system is little bit slow. See, here there are different types of arrows. So this is one of the basic arrow. So it will be on the starting positions. See, here there is an arrow. if I need to put an arrow on this, there is an arrow mark. You can increase the size of the arrow as you wish. So on the other side also, if I need to change, here there is presently there is no arrow mark, so it is the area where you need to put the end arrow. So apart from the arrow, there are different signs that you can browse. There are numerous numbers, and you can select the type of the line over here. See, you can select the desired type, and you can increase the width of the line over here. So this might be very useful while drawing the flowchart, as I mentioned before. Here we have drawn a very huge image, that's why it's not showing. Okay, so like this, and there is one more option over here. You can see these are tangential to point. So you can draw a line which is tangential to a line or a surface. So here see, you will not get a perpendicular line, you will get a tangential line from the point of your origin. Similar to that, on a line also you get the same, you get a tangential point, tangential line from a point. So these are the basic differences of the 2-point line tool and other lines. Thank you for watching, and please let me know you have anything to ask through the comment section. Have a great day.